All right, I'm going to show you the other things that are available from this left menu. Remember, this is to change your profile settings. This right here, My Bulbs, literally opens this window that we're looking at, which has all of the bulbs I have on it. Folders, this opens what I have customized in folders. You can click Add a Folder. Once you are in a folder, you can add a subfolder. This allows you to organize any bulbs that you have in a more organized fashion. Okay, classes is going to open up. These are synced with Schoology. You can see by the icon. I can create new classes if I just want a group of students to complete it if I'm not syncing with an LMS system. Okay, pre-made bulbs. This does give you an opportunity to search for some bulbs that have been made by other teachers in your district. Okay, so this does give me this option to search. I can change it to all of PlayPosit, and this will allow me to search all of the PlayPosits that have been made public. And I can easily enter keywords. If I know someone I'm looking for in particular, I can search for them. I can search for just tags. I can adjust based on target audience. I don't want something pre-KK if I'm teaching in 7th grade. Okay, so you can define it by target audience. You can define it by subject. You can specifically search for a YouTube URL. You want to see if someone already has a PlayPosit for a specific YouTube video. You can easily search it this way. So there are a lot of search options. And say I'm going to cancel this and say this one right here, I'm going to click on. This is one that I want. I literally click copy and it pulls it into My Bulbs, and then it would show up in the My Bulbs section. So this is very easy to navigate through and find bulbs. It's not necessary to reinvent something if it's already there. Okay, and then this last option, professional learning. Those are some of the courses we have at our district use PlayPosit. So that's what this last icon is for.